Hello, dear friends. Welcome to a magical fairy tale. This is the Lost Easter Egg. It's about a brave girl named Lily, a mysterious egg, and a lesson from an enchanted forest. This story is for English beginners. Sit by the fire, listen closely, and let the magic begin. Once upon a time, in a tiny village hugged by emerald hills, lived a girl named Lily. She was 10 years old, with sparkling eyes and a curious heart. The village was special. Every spring, a magical Easter egg hunt filled the air with joy. Fairies hid colorful eggs in the fields, and one golden egg held a secret wish. Lily's life was like a sunny day. Her mother baked sweetbread. Her father grew carrots and apples. They lived in a cozy cottage. Lily played under the stars, ate candy, and never worried. She dreamed of finding the golden egg to wish for more candy. One Easter morning, Lily woke to birds singing. Sunlight danced on her window. "Today, I'll find the golden egg," she whispered. She ran to her mother. "Eat your breakfast, Lily," her mother said. "Apples and oats make you strong." Lily pouted. "I want to hunt." But she ate quickly, dreaming of her wish. The village square sparkled with fairy dust. Children held woven baskets, giggling. A wise old owl, the guardian of the hunt, hooted, "Find the eggs, little ones. The golden egg hides a wish." Lily's heart fluttered. She pictured her candy wish. The hunt began. Lily dashed to the enchanted forest. She peeked under mushrooms, behind glittering stones, and near a babbling brook. She found a pink egg, a green egg, a purple egg. Her basket glowed, but the golden egg was nowhere. Lily saw her friend Sam, a quiet boy who often coughed. His basket was empty. "Sam, why hunt? You're not strong," Lily said. Sam smiled softly. "The forest makes me happy," he said. Lily frowned. She didn't understand. She kept searching, her feet tired but her heart stubborn. Lily rested by a glowing tree. "Where is that golden egg?" she sighed. A tiny light flickered in the grass. "Is it the egg?" she gasped. She ran and found not an egg, but a silver key, sparkling with fairy magic. Lily held the key. It was warm like a secret. "What does it open?" she wondered. No box or door appeared. She tucked it in her pocket and searched more. The sun dipped low. The hunt was ending. Children returned, their baskets shining. Lily saw Sam, still smiling, his basket empty. "Sam, no eggs?" she asked. "The forest is my treasure," he said. Lily shook her head. How could he be happy without a wish? In the square, the owl checked the baskets. A boy named Tom found the golden egg. Fairy lights cheered. Lily felt a sting. "I wanted the wish," she thought. The owl called Lily. "You found something greater," he hooted, eyeing her silver key. "This unlocks the fairy library, a place of magic books about health and life." Lily crossed her arms. "Books. I wanted the golden egg's wish." The owl's eyes twinkled. "Wishes fade, but wisdom grows. Long ago, I chased wishes too. Then I learned, true magic is living well, not wanting more." Lily walked home, the key glowing in her hand. She thought of the owl's words. She thought of Sam, joyful without eggs. "Maybe wishes aren't everything," she said. The next day, Lily visited the fairy library. It was hidden in a giant tree, with shelves of shimmering books. She opened one about health. She read about carrots, berries, and sleep. She learned why Sam needed rest. "I wasn't kind to him," she whispered. Lily changed. She ate berries instead of candy. She walked in the forest daily. She brought Sam a shiny apple. "I'm sorry, Sam," she said. Sam grinned. "You're my friend now." Lily's heart felt light, like fairy wings. A year passed. Easter returned, the forest aglow. Lily was different. She didn't chase the golden egg. She helped little children find eggs, her laughter like bells. She gave Sam a blue egg. Her basket was light, but her spirit soared. The owl watched. "You found true magic," he hooted. Lily smiled. The key was better than a wish. She felt strong, eating good food, walking daily, and helping others. Lily gazed at the village. Stars twinkled above. The forest hummed. "I'm ready for life," she said, "not for wishes, but for the magic of living well." And so ends the lost Easter egg. Lily learned that true magic isn't in wishes, but in health, kindness, and small choices.